Gnarly started as a surfing term for waves too dangerous to ride, became a word for anything impressively hard, and someone made it a holiday. National Get Gnarly Day is the last Friday in July. The holiday has existed since 2016, created to reclaim the word from its drift as a general negative and restore it to its surfer roots, something both extreme and worth attempting. Gnarly describes the wave that could wipe you out and the wave that would be the best ride of your life. The holiday was placed on the last Friday of July to push the work week to its limit before August. What is the most demanding thing on your to-do list right now? Today is the day to attempt it, not the safe version, the actual gnarly version, the one that requires something from you. Start before end of business and do not check your email first. Tag the person in your life who attacks hard things first and share what you're attempting today.